Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We got something cool for you guys today. So we are back out on Justin's shooting range and we got sent these awesome antique padlocks all the way from Russia. One of our fans over there wanted us to shoot these locks, so he sent them. They took about 2 months to get to us. And we are really thankful that you guys sent those to us. This one here has the star on the front and some of the Russian language here on the back, numbers or something. I can't speak or read Russian, so I don't know what it says. But what we got for you guys, this first lock that we're gonna do here, it's a nice big old thing. We have some 12 gauge armor piercing incendiary rounds. These things aren't really that armor piercing as they have lead in them, not steel, but they pack a good punch and they have a beautiful flash. We got our dueling shotgun set up over here, so they're gonna shoot them at the same time on each side. And then on this smaller lock here, we are going to try two 12 gauge slugs. So this ought to be pretty darn cool. So these are working locks. They each come with their own key. This little Sinbad looking key here goes to this one goes to this one. But we are really thankful you guys sent those to us. I know some of y'all are gonna be mad saying those should be in a museum or something, but they're not. They're on Going Ballistic and we're gonna blow them up. So we're pretty much ready to go, but first a word from our sponsor. Hey everybody, this video is brought to you by World of Tanks.
World of Tanks is a free-to-play game with over 100 million players worldwide for your PC. The game has more than 600 tanks, destroyers, artillery, light, medium, and heavy tanks, so there's always a new way to play. You'll love the real-looking graphics where you can roll out across open fields, climb steep hills, sneak through forests, tear across deserts, and even pick your battles in urban and industrial zones. Rally your teammates, devise a plan, and destroy the competition in over 40 battle arenas. The game's historical accuracy and inspiration mean authentic models and vehicle characteristics that make you feel like a real tank commander taking part in a furious armored offense. You can earn, modify, and upgrade your tank, create steel beasts ready for any challenge. During your registration, don't forget to use promo code TANKAMANIA to get for free 7 days premium account, 250,000 credits. You'll also get the premium tank Excelsior and 3 rental tanks for 10 battles each. You'll get the Tiger 131, Cromwell B, and the T-34-85M.
So click the link down in the description below and download your free World of Tanks game today and start battling your way to the top.
Here we go, doing more sketchy stuff. All right, armor piercing rounds versus lock number 1. How sketchy is this? 3, 2, 1. 1. Wow, I saw pieces land way out there. Is my truck okay? That's kind of loud. Everything's gone.
That was pretty cool. So this one went off first, just a hair before this one did. But we walked around for about 30 minutes trying to find all those pieces because they went everywhere. And we almost got the whole lock. Check this out. So you could see where the slug, which we found part of the slug, actually impacted there first. And These are our pieces that we found. Didn't expect it to explode that much, but it really did a good job. Cool. So we got our dual shotgun set up. Let me tell you, this thing is a nightmare to get timed, but we got it to where it's kind of hitting about here. So we're going to try that other round now with the 2 slugs. Kind of excited to see what those 2 slugs do to this one. So here we go.
Well, I survived the first one. Now lock number 2 with some slugs. Can anyone guess how I got these things cocked? Yeah, exactly. I should totally be wearing a helmet. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. I had a couple things hit me. I see a chunk of lock over there. Are you alive? I'm alive. All right.
Well, we had to give up looking. We looked for, God dog, man, like 45 minutes. We looked at the high-speed camera, looked at the trajectory of where those parts went, and this is all we found of that lock. That's it. Somewhere out here on the shooting range is the rest of this lock, and we just cannot find any of it. Surprisingly, Justin found these 3 pieces in weeds this tall, but out here in the clearing, we can't find anything. So we're not done yet though. Here's what we got for you guys. Since our Russian friends sent us some locks to blow up with American rounds, we have some other locks that a friend of ours sent us that he doesn't have the keys for, and he said, hey, can you guys shoot these things? So yeah, of course we're gonna pull out the 50 BMG. We're gonna shoot this Russian API round at these American locks, because that's just fair, man. So let's do this. It's a small target, but we're gonna try it. Here we go.
All right, now it's time for the Russian API versus these brass locks. It's kind of a small target, so I'm not sure how accurate I can be with it, but we'll find out though. All right, Justin, you can do this. Just gotta hit it. Here we go. Ah, yeah. Did one of the locks just come back here?
Probably.
That was a lot of the destruction there. Clear.
Well, he didn't hit dead center. He was aiming down here because, again, different load than the rounds that he zeroed the rifle with. But he still sheared 3 of the hook part of the lock off, which was absolutely amazing. Right through there is where it went, and then only scuffed this back one. But this is kind of cool how the round split. So the locks definitely caused the detonation, and then it split right here and here. Part of the projectile hit right there and then some of it over here, but the way it just split and hit both sides is cool. That is insane. Good shooting, Justin. Well, folks, that's what we got for you guys. We really appreciate, again, all the support. If you want to become a patron, who we really appreciate all our patrons, there's a link down in the description. Again, it's as low as $1 a month if you want to help support us with all the demonetization that's going on. Believe me, we know we hit it for a whole month of July. That was pretty rough. But we also got t-shirts for sale. Still got t-shirts. They're all $10. We are getting some new ones made here fairly soon. But thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll be back.